Howdy folks, and welcome to my inbox where I'm showing you a message from a friend, longtime friend, Gianluca Fiorelli. I'm showing you this because a couple of weeks ago, I put up a video about how one could appear in large language models and AI tools, which was insanely popular. In my opinion, a little more popular than it had any right to be. I actually think Pinterest or Reddit are bigger sources than AI tools right now, but it doesn't matter because a lot of folks are very interested in getting into AI tools. And Gianluca showed me this case study of how he got one of his clients into a bunch of large language models and AI tools and citations and AI overviews. I think it pays to understand how he did it, and he gave me permission to share this publicly, as did his client. So he's showing that you can see the first source cited for an informational query, which is this what is voltage rating? And then in the AI overview, when you click on the link and are looking for that, this Stratos group is number one. They are the first one up there. How much traffic that sends, hard to know, but the information that they want to convey is what's being conveyed. And I think this is the power of being in AI overviews or large language models. It's zero-click marketing. You don't need a click to have influence, and that's what Gianluca and Stratos are doing here. And then because he was able to get this, but by the way, he was able to get this not through digital PR. I don't know if you read this part, but the budget does not allow for fancy digital PR campaigns, even if that's a good practice. So the strategy we follow is on crafting content. They've essentially taken a powerful website that has lots of influence and is already authoritative in this space. And Gianluca has carefully crafted exactly the words and phrases needed in order to be cited here. And he did that through entity associations, right? The words that should come after and around other words, and looking for meaning associations, looking for how people type their questions, sort of classic keyword research, all that kind of stuff. So this is a content-based effort that Gianluca has correctly and very impressively gotten into all of these different places. So he's showing off, right, not only the AI overviews, but because it's in there, they know Stratos is able to reverse engineer what they're pulling from there, and then they can change that on the fly when they want to. This also means, of course, that it's in Gemini, which is great, and in ChatGPT, which you can see over here. They're the second one behind a .gov link as the citation for how ChatGPT knows this information. No doubt helps to be ranking so highly in Google and have an authoritative website, and also in Perplexity as well. So, he points out the only one that that they're not currently in is the Bing AI answer. But I think this is incredibly impressive work. I think it's a roadmap for many folks who worry, hey, do I have to do PR in order to get into these AI overviews and ChatGPT and Perplexity and all these LLM answers? And the answer is not necessarily, especially if you have a big, powerful site that's authoritative in its field already. You can potentially do what Gianluca's done and invest in the right kind of content, phrased the right way, and reverse engineer your way to impressive visibility through these tools.